Okay, this is the front door on my shop. It's a solid wood door, particle board though. And what has happened is over the years, 30-40 years, this particle board has kind of gotten wet at times, and of course it expands and it chipped away. Pretty soon my doorknob lock set is flopping around here, and we keep tightening it, and pretty soon the bolt is going in crooked. And just recently I wasn't even able to get my door open. I had taken it apart from the inside. Anyhow, it's time to what I'm going to try to do is build this side of the door back up with Bondo. And so first thing we're going to do is put a few screws in around here to kind of give the Bondo a little more to grip to. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Alright, there's a better shot. You can see how I place those screws around the hole and into this shallow part that has chipped away. So that should give the Bondo something to grab hold of so it doesn't bust off again. Okay, so now what I did was I took a piece of some brass, 2-inch brass rail, something to stick in here so that it'll stick through here, something like this, like that. And I'm going to lubricate this so it doesn't stick. And then we'll start packing our Bondo in around here. Okay, so I got myself a can of Bondo, some hardener, I got some ice cream lids. These work great for mixing Bondo on. And you just put your Bondo on there and get yourself a spreader. Mix it up. A dime for a golf ball is the standard mix. Okay, right there, it looks good. I'm going to push this stuff in. Push it in, work it around. So we'll finish that up with another application. Okay, so there it is with the second coat of Bondo on it. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and pull that tube out. So there, pull that out. Okay, here we are. It's morning and the Bondo is set up pretty good on the door. So what we're going to do is start off by taking a file and we'll just smaller sander in here. And okay, so I put another coat of Bondo around there to kind of fill in some of the dips, and we'll sand it all up. Okay, I think that's good enough. This doesn't have to be perfect. It's not a car body. It just has to be functional, and it looks like it's going to meet that requirement. So we're just going to coat this up with some paint and then put our lock set in. Yeah, that's pretty ugly. Anyways, we'll get the lock set in and I won't have to keep wiring shut my door. Well, check it out. Right on. No more hook and wire.